Alright everybody, I got a diag for you. Pretty common issue, so hopefully this will help a lot of DIYers or whatever. I don't know if you can hear that, but that is the coolant fan. Pretty common issue. This does not have a check engine light on. The customer did not state whether it did at one point. You can see here I already have checked for p0128, which is a ECT below threshold or thermostat rationality in some vehicles. You can see here it is not a history. It's passed and failed since DTC cleared. It's a current DTC. I guess it's not requesting the mill anymore on a lot of models, and even Chevy, if I remember correctly, they do throw a check engine light, but I guess on the newer models, or this model, this isn't even that new, that it does not throw a check engine light, at least right now. So what you want to do is clear the code, and if your fan shuts off, that's why your fan's running full bore, because I'll shut this car off and you can still hear the fan out there. So just turn it back on. I see I have some other history codes in here. You can see it says history. So I'm gonna write these down, and we'll write all four down, and then I'll go in and show you freeze frame data before I start, and why this before I clear the codes, and why this happened. Okay, got the freeze frame data here. Of course, it's in Celsius. 61 degrees, 100 degrees Celsius, 210. So for that, so it's like 100 degrees, I think. Let me double check here, guys. Because my Celsius ain't that good. 61 C to F, 141 degrees. That seems pretty good. I'll have to look up the what the threshold is. Because how long has this been running? Engine when this was set. Speed. Engine runtime 8 minutes 25 seconds. So in 8 minutes it didn't come up high enough, I guess. These probably sit around 210. Yeah, it's right in the middle is 210. So that's probably right about where she sits at fully warmed up. That's where it wants it, and I guess 8 minutes 25 seconds to get to that 210 is not enough. Honestly, if the coolant's full on a p0128, and I don't have any issue with heat or anything like that, I'll do that now. I don't have a temp gauge out, but at least I'll be able to tell if it's warm, which it shouldn't be that warm because it's below 160 right now. Yeah, it's pretty warm to the touch. It's not like, it's not circulating or anything, but pretty much when I see these p0128s and there's nothing obvious, like no coolant leaks or anything like that, I do a thermostat and a coolant flush, and it's gonna fix it. I could just clear the code, and this code will stay away for quite a while, and this fan won't run on full anymore. But that's not what it's. You know, at least with these modern day cars, we can tell before you need a thermostat that you need a thermostat. You know, it's not gonna overheat because of a bad thermostat because it's gone too long. The computer's watching it, which is great. So easy diag for any of you guys at home. If you're a DIYer, you got a p0128 and your coolant's full, you know, load the parts cannon, throw a thermostat and a coolant flush on it. As long as it's done properly, it's not going to hurt your car. It's just going to help your car. So with all that being said, I hope you guys have a great day. Okay, and I probably should have done this in the video, but I cleared the codes after looking at all the freeze frame data, and you can hear that there's no fan there. Don't worry too much about the other codes. I've already looked. I guess I'll do it now just for poop and laughter. that whatever was happening to cause those codes is not happening anymore. So I don't know how long they've been in there. Where is it? There it is, fuel trim. So it is running slightly rich. I'll make sure that I check to make sure the oil doesn't smell like gas. But you know, long term is at -3, -4. It's really not that bad. 10 plus or minus 10 is going to be the thing for as far as the rich codes, which I bet this is direct injected, so it's, you know, it's only a few things it could be. And the evap leak, I mean, where these are all history, he's not complaining of a check engine light. We're not going to spend any time diagnosing those things. We're just going to write them down, show that they were in there, and then Bob's your uncle, you're on your way. So hope you guys have a great day.